Ojazzy Igbo niile nke maka anyị maka ewere eme video ata. Ignore this message at your own risk. Follow mixing your entertainment career with your belief, my brother, is going to cause a lot harm than good for you. I'm not trying to castigate what you believe in. I'm not trying to say that you should not believe in anything you want to believe in, because everybody have their right and freedom of worship and believing in anything they deem so fit to believe in. But away from Nigerian sign on Nigeria are very, very emotional people. A Nigerian person can stop buying something from you if they notice that you are not worshiping the same thing they are worshiping. A Nigerian person might stop talking to you if they notice that you do not believe in the same thing with them. A Nigerian person can ignore you and destroy everything about you if they notice that you are not worshiping the same thing they are worshiping. So my brother, I don't know if when I get advice and challenge today, and I hope the time gave it to this video that is if you listen to it. But if you ignore, in a time to come, you will notice that this thing I'm telling you right now is going to start affecting you. I've came across a post you made on your page. And I have been a post to video in a worship your sheep. It's not a bad thing, no. I'm not against it, because everybody have their right to believe whatever they want. But my brother, posting that kind of picture, maybe a string of blood on your shrine, on your platform, is going to cause you a lot of harm. This is Nigeria. Very, very emotional people. You have to be very, very careful how you do things on that your platform. If you want to go far with your entertainment career, I know what I'm saying. Because if you continue in this way, you will notice that even those celebrities you think you are mingling with will start avoiding you. Yes, they are not avoiding you because you are doing something bad, but because they notice that them associating with you might even hurt their own growth. Because I'm sure that if what in today now 80% of Igbo today are Christians. Yes, the rest of them are people that belongs to different other religions. And I'm very sure that people who follow you today are 500. Now 85% of them are also Christians. Then go and go give Jazzy and post to see this video. This video now one of your videos. You need mix your belief with your career. It's going to hurt you. How many people need advice and give me like this? My friend, the person who gives this advice don't want you to go far. If you don't have any advice, now working in a key on your platform, the person naturally can go far. So my brother, take this advice. Take away anything that has to do with your belief system from your career. You can worship whatever you want to worship at your home, at your own offline private places, but don't bring it online. Look at celebrities who are progressing. Look at the ones who are doing well in the industry. How many of them have you ever seen posting things like this? How many of them have you ever seen posting what they believe in on their platform? How many of them? Or do you think that those people who worship, or you think that those people who believe in, but they keep it away because they know the kind of damage it will cause to them? In Nigeria today, we have people believing too many things, and once they say that you're not believing in what they are believing, they might start avoiding you. They might stop patronizing you. They might start seeing you as a bad person. So for you not to find yourself in this kind of condition, my brother, you have to stay away. Put your belief system aside and let people know you for your entertainment. Then whatever you are doing to be in the secret. Or you wouldn't get a picture, a video picture, even a worship your sheep. Post on a platform get first. Or because I'm sure that no Holy Spirit now demand the key. So my brother, this advice today, take it serious. That is if you really want to go far. But I can go from local to local. Then you can just ignore this message. But I'm telling you this simple truth. Take your belief system away from your platform, from your career. Remember, most of these people now are buggy for show. These people need to get endorsement. Many of them today, if I'm not mistaken, 70% of them today are also Christians. So when they see you posting things like this, trust me, a time is going to come where they will stop calling you for shows, when they will stop talking to you, because they will even consider their own career as well. Because when people see them mingling with people like you, they might think that you are believing the same thing. So my brother, please stand neutral if you want to go far. Thank you.